have something to explain also today, learning also. So see, there are some annotations. Okay, there are some annotations. Okay, so and there is some environmental control things known as test fixtures. So we will learn about fixtures first. Okay, what are fixtures and annotations? So fixtures are basically control your pre-configured environment things. Okay, so they are passed into the object automatically. Fine, we have to define it. Let's do it. I will teach you each fixture. This is the interview question. Okay, so let's create. Let me open your file folder. Okay, now I am giving you. Let me give you an example of test auto annotation. Say at the block level. Okay, so this is the example of a test annotation at a block level. So I'm giving you example of a annotation that is slow. Slow. Let me show you. Test example of test dot slow annotation. Percent age. Okay. So I have taken this annotation. Fine. Now, now let's go into it. So what this slow annotation will do? This will triple out. It will triple your timeout. It will triple your timeout limit. So it will triple three times. Okay. So write this comments also. See, I always write the comments which I am giving because these are the theory which is I am providing in the program itself. Test dot store. And let me launch a website. Let me launch it. Await dot p o t. Okay. Now let me run it. Now it will be slow longer speed. Okay, but see, it got it. See, slow means it will triple the time. Why? When it triple the time means till the time it do not find the element or it do not load the page. But it loaded. See, this is automatic. If it load, why should it wait? That will be a time consuming thing. Okay, so what slow do? It So this is one of the annotations we have checked. We will be understanding 5 core building fixtures. Write this code, small code, which I have given. We will understanding the 5 core fixtures, building fixtures. So, that is. So this is one of the annotations. Let me show you now what fixtures. So there are few fixtures I will be demonstrating. So there will be page fixture, context fixture, browser name, request fixture. I am creating another test case for fixture. Okay. So these are the fixtures which will be using. Okay. Fine. Do one thing. Put enter over here. Okay. So this is the test case I am creating. And here now I will put a syncon. See, you know, all these are related. Browser name, browser, context name. So I will show you each and everything. First fixture I was showing you is browser name fixture. First fixture I am going to show you. Write these comments, okay? Always browser name. So what is this fixture? It will send let you know what is the current browser which is running. It will let you know the current browser which is running. Okay, it returns the current browser which is running. So if you go here, I just give console.log. Okay, running test on browser column here, browser. Just give browser name. Okay, it has automatic. It will automatically let you know. Nothing to do. Yeah, it will let you know which browser it is running. So this is one of the fixtures. Okay, save it. Fine. Let's run it. Try it out. Yesterday only we did Firefox one. Normal is it went Jersey. It went at first. Second fixture which I am showing It is a browser fixture. This was a browser name fixture. This is a browser fixture. So what it will do, it will help you to print the current person. It help you to print the current person. Okay. So what can I do? I can just print console dot log. Okay. Browser version fine colon browser. Just give this. Okay. This is one of the fixtures which we have. Let's run it out. See, it already printed down with 1.50. I don't know what it is. So many person came in market. Now, what is context? Context is incognito profile. Remember, context we studied. It's a incognito profile. Third fixture is context. Okay. So it is useful when we have multiple instance user permissions. Okay. So context. So this is the third fixture we are having. See, these things are useful in theory. Interview solve. New tab is equal to await context. Now await new tab dot go to give. Let's go to google.com. Let's go to google.com. Right. And let's close it also. Oh, guys, let me know if I do any mistakes. And give here await new tab. Okay, save it. Let's run it. And run. So this it is working on new context. So this is one of the fixtures. Okay. So this was something a message came. Okay. Now let's see the fixture. You know all the fixtures. Oh, sorry. The next fixture is the page fixture. So page fixture we have already seen. We are opening a page. Represent a single visual tab. Okay. It represents the single visual tab. I am copying the code which I have already taken. Okay. I am copying the code which I have already taken. So I already have this code. Await, go to this page. Okay, you all have password, login button, kill, है ना? And I am verified. Expect here that it should have URL st this build. Okay, let's run it. I already have this code. You can also use your old code. Why should I waste time? Okay, for these values, it will work fine. Okay, these are the four fixtures we have seen. One more fixture is there. That is API request. Take 5 minutes, write this down. I will tell you about the API request fixture. That is different from these fixtures. Okay, that is different from this fixture. Done. Now see, I will teach you about API testing also, how we can automate API requests in it. For that, I will use a JSON file. Okay, I will use a JSON file. But currently, suppose I have some request. There is a file. This type file is there. User API करके. So it is showing me API key missing and all these things. Means it doesn't. It is invalid. Previously, it was a valid thing. Now it is not working. Okay. So, but I am showing you how we can automate this request also. The fifth one is our request fixture. This is request is related to our API client. Fine. So what I can do here, most API request, wait, request dot get. What is this? Let's check. Let me check this. It is also giving something. Let's check it out. See, it is looking fine. Let me use the request which is given by no, I am taking the request which is given by our AI. Okay, it is looking fine. Okay, so so if it is okay, then we will put a expect request dot okay to be true. Okay. And what I can do, just I will take the JSON body. So this is the JSON body which we put in there. Let me take the JSON body. I will teach API testing means automation of it. I will not teach API testing. Okay, but how I can automate, you should know. If you want to learn API testing, that is a different thing. Okay, JSON body because sure. So we have a JSON body. Now let me put the status. Let me put the status. Now just save it and try to run it. Is it working fine?